welcome back to part 2 of Happy Wheels. I'm going to play so I never finished Pokemon training, so I'm going to finish that. Leg. Okay, what is it? Okay, I'm going to change the settings back to what I had them because of laggy leg. Oh, maybe the particles. Oh yeah, I'm setting everything to like nothing. Sorry for that quality. It's just my computer lags when I record. At least it's not as bad. Oh god. Backflip. That's my guinea pig again. Just watch me play. That's my sister. Whoa! Oh gosh, that was so close to hitting me in the head. And of course that just hit me in the balls. And then it hit me in the butt. Be extremely careful here. Okay. Yeah. I'll just fly right over. Okay. Yoink. Dope, really dope, dope. No, not that. It's gonna be in my way. No, just keep going. What is that? Dope, dope, dope. I'm about to win. Good, you're almost there. No! What's happening? Oh! Okay. I think I'm going to end this episode now because it keeps on lagging. Probably because I'm still uploading the other video. So, bye-bye. And I'm positive that we will make this video sometime later. Okay, bye-bye.